Despite best efforts at defending the perimeter, training your users to never click on a phishing attempt, and all the rest of the preparations, sometimes they find a hole in your armor. The installation stage of an attack is where an attacker will usually gain control of a compromised device. Once an attacker has gained control of a device, it is likely that they will establish contact with a command and control server. The server is typically used to send commands to a compromised device to upload or download malicious code or files. Complex malware includes communication to remote servers for further instructions, allowing the exploit to be customized to the specific vulnerabilities on the victim system based on operating system version, installed antivirus packages, and installed security patches. To detect and prevent the communication from protected endpoints to suspicious or malicious servers, we use malicious traffic detection. With Sophos Intercept X and Managed Threat Response Advanced installed, if the infection somehow gets on a system, as soon as it tries to communicate with a command and control server, MTD sees the suspicious behavior, and even if not recognized as a known threat, it still shuts it down because it knows what bad looks like. A command and control server connection is extremely dangerous, as an attacker can use that connection to register devices as part of a botnet, which allows them to be used to attack more devices across your network. If a command and control, otherwise known as C2 detection, is triggered, well, a detection signature may not have been created previously. Sophos is able to use the detection to collect samples which are submitted to Sophos Labs. A specific detection for that C2 traffic is then created and made available to the entire community. You should now have a clearer understanding of how an infection can spread if it makes its way through your defenses, and what creative technology management can do to protect you.